Well, hot diggity dang, it's time to convert to standard form starting in vertex form. So take a look at this problem. You should identify it as vertex form. Remember, it's in that h comma k, right, where you've got your h here, x minus h, and you had that a squared plus k. So this is definitely vertex form. And we want to convert this into an ax squared plus bx equals c. Well, we're just going to go ahead and follow the order of operations to do this. And so looking at this problem, you can see that we have multiplication, parentheses, exponents, and addition. So we've got, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, or you guys say aunt, even though it's spelled aunt. Don't get me going. So we have to do parentheses first. Well, can we combine an x minus 3? No, we can't. They're apples and oranges. So really, we don't have anything to do in parentheses. So we're done there. Next thing we have to do is the exponents. So we have to do x minus 3 squared. So I'm just going to pull this off. X minus 3 times x minus 3. If you're a box method person, you can go ahead and draw your box now. I'm a FOIL lady, so I'm just going to go my x times x is x squared. My x times negative 3 is a negative 3x. My negative 3 times x is another negative 3x. And my last would be negative 3 times negative 3, which is a positive 9. I'm going to combine my inner two terms. So a negative 3x subtract 3x makes us even more negative, and that's going to give us a minus 6x and then plus 9. So what I'm going to do now is basically rewrite everything. So I'm going to rewrite my 3, but instead of writing what I have in this red box, I'm going to write what I have in this box here because those are equal. So I have an x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then don't forget about the plus 5 here. All right, so all I've done is rewrite. And now, again, I have to look at my order of operations. There's nothing I can do in parentheses. That is already simplified. There's no like terms. We've done our exponents. Now we've got to do multiplication. So that's going to be distributive property. So that gives me a 3x squared minus an 18x plus a 27, and then don't forget about this plus 5, just writing that down again. All right, do we have any division to do? Nope. Do we have any addition and subtraction to do? Looks like we have some addition to do right here. So 27 plus 5 is going to give us 32. So this is going to be a 3x squared minus 18x and then plus a 32. Do we have any subtraction? Well, yeah, sure we have subtraction, but are these like terms? Can we combine them? No, we can't. So we are all done. This is most definitely in standard form. It's in that ax squared plus bx plus c, where my a is 3, my b is negative 18, and my c is 32. So this is our answer. Let's try another one. Well, first thing we're going to do here is we're going to FOIL this out. We've got exponents first to do. There's no parentheses. So x plus 4 times an x plus 4. That's going to give me an x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. So that was x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 16. These inners, they combine to an 8x, so we have x squared plus 8x plus 16. So I'm going to now replace what I have in the box with what I got down here. So that's going to be an x squared plus 8x plus 16 and then plus a 1. I'm going to multiply that through because multiplication is next. That gives me a negative 2x squared minus 16x minus 32 plus 1. Now I can combine these two and I get a negative 2x squared minus 16x, just recopying that down, and minus 32 plus 1 is a minus 31. 1. So that's my answer. I do have one more practice. If you feel like you've got this down, you can go ahead and pause this video and try your homework. But if you want to see one more, go ahead and watch this video. All right, so we're going to take x minus 1, and just for the heck of it, I'll do box method here. So we've got x minus 1, x minus 1. X times x gives me an x squared, and x times a minus 1 gives me a minus 1x. A negative 1 times an x gives me a negative 1x. Minus 1 times minus 1 is 1. So this gives me x squared. A negative 1x minus 1x is a minus 2x plus 1. So substituting in there, instead of writing that as in quantity squared, I'm going to write x squared minus 2x plus 1. And don't forget your minus 5. Distributing through, I get a minus 4x squared plus an 8x minus 4 minus 5. Combine these like terms, and I get a negative 4x squared plus 8x and then minus 9. And that's it, folks. We have converted from vertex form and we put it to standard form. Thanks for watching.